Hello students. In this video, we're going to explore an exciting topic, heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy. When something feels hot, it means it has heat energy, which can make other things warm too. This energy moves from hotter objects to cooler ones. For instance, when you touch a hot stove, the heat travels from the stove to your skin. Heat can be produced in various ways, such as burning fuel, using electricity, or even from sunlight. Temperature, on the other hand, tells us how hot or cold something is. It measures the thermal energy within an object. You can think of temperature as a scale that ranges from cold to hot. If something has a high temperature, it's very hot. If it has a low temperature, it's cold. There is a key difference between heat and temperature. While heat is the energy that moves from one object to another, temperature measures how hot or cold something is. Simply put, heat causes changes in temperature. For example, when you mix hot water with cold water, the heat from the hot water moves to the cold water until they reach the same temperature. This process is known as thermal equilibrium. Interestingly, two objects can have the same temperature but different amounts of heat. Imagine a cup of hot water and a swimming pool, both at 50 degrees Celsius. The swimming pool contains much more heat because it has more water. Understanding heat and temperature is important in our daily lives. Heat plays a crucial role in cooking. Different temperatures are needed for boiling, baking, or frying food safely. Temperature also affects the weather, helping us know if it's hot or cold and aiding scientists in predicting rain, snow, or storms. Heat is essential for producing electricity, powering vehicles, and heating or cooling our homes. It also changes how materials behave. For example, metals expand when heated and contract when cooled. To measure and quantify heat, we rely on temperature scales. The most common temperature scales are Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Celsius, used in many countries, measures temperature based on water's freezing point at 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point at 100 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, common in the US, divides temperatures differently, with water freezing at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boiling at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Kelvin, used by scientists, starts at absolute 0 K, the coldest temperature possible, and uses the same increments as Celsius. Sometimes, we need to convert temperatures from one scale to another. Here are some basic conversion formulas. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit equals degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, degree Celsius equals degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. To convert Celsius to Kelvin, K equals degree C plus 273.15. To convert Kelvin to Celsius, degree C equals K 273.15. To convert Fahrenheit to Kelvin, K equals degree F plus 459.67 times 5/9. To convert Kelvin to Fahrenheit, degree F equals K times 9/5, 459.67. Temperature is measured using devices called thermometers. A laboratory thermometer, made of glass with liquid mercury, expands or contracts to show the temperature. A clinical thermometer, used to measure body temperature, is often used in medical settings and is designed for accurate readings of the human body. Heat has several effects. It can change the temperature of an object, making it warmer or cooler. Heat also causes materials to expand when heated and contract when cooled, except for water, which expands when it freezes. Heat can also change the state of matter. For example, heating ice turns it into water and then into steam, while cooling a gas can turn it back into liquid and then into solid ice. One interesting device that uses heat is a bimetallic strip, which consists of two different metals joined together. When heated, one metal expands more than the other, causing the strip to bend. This bending is useful in devices like fire sprinklers, where the strip responds to high temperatures. In summary, heat is the energy that makes things warm, and temperature measures how hot or cold they are. Understanding these concepts helps us in many areas of life, from cooking to understanding the weather. How about you try answering this question now? What is the Fahrenheit equivalent of 100 degrees Celsius? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.